Hey there, future architects and design enthusiasts. Welcome to the College of Architecture channel, your one-stop shop for all things architectural. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey, we've got something for you. Here's a glimpse of what we offer. Dive into the history of architecture. Explore the evolution of design from ancient times to the modern era. Meet the masters. Learn about the lives and works of iconic architects like Frank Lloyd Wright, Zaha Hadid, and more. Discover architectural marvels. From the Taj Mahal to the Guggenheim Museum, we'll take you on a virtual tour of some of the most incredible buildings in the world. Master AutoCAD. Get hands-on with essential software skills through our comprehensive tutorials. Unravel the secrets of building construction. Learn about different systems, materials, and techniques used in the construction industry. Get inspired by modern houses. Explore the latest trends in residential design and find inspiration for your own dream home. Gain valuable insights. We'll share tips, tricks, and advice from experienced architects to help you succeed in your career. Ace the architectural licensure examination. Prepare for your licensing exam with our comprehensive review sessions. Unleash your creativity. Get inspired by architectural thesis projects from around the world. No matter where you are in your architectural journey, we're here to support you every step of the way. Subscribe to our channel and join our growing community of passionate architects and design lovers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any exciting new content. Thanks for watching College of Architecture channel.